You found another one. You found, what is that? What is that?
Yeah.
A duck.
Mine. Push the up.
You got it.
Bow.
What is that?
Bow.
You pull.
Yeah.
Where's some more?
Mm. Duck.
A dog?
Mine. Mama.
Elephant.
Go.
Thank you for closing that. How responsible.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Hmm.
This duck.
This duck.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's one more. This one's going to be tricky. You see. Can you come look over here? Look right here, buddy. Can you look under? Look under. Look under. Down. Get down. Can you get down? Crawl.
Yeah.
Come over here, though. It's over here. It's down there. Get down. Sit, sit.